Immerse yourself in the soulful rhythms of Santiago de Cuba, where the air pulsates with the vibrant beats of sun music and the streets are alive with the rich tapestry of Cuban culture. Santiago, with its rich architectural heritage and rustic charm, is a city that enchants at every corner. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleys, where colonial buildings splashed in hues of yellow, blue, and red narrate tales of a vibrant past. The echoes of the city's history resonate in the cobblestone streets, whispering stories of resilience and revolution. As you journey further into the city, you encounter the irresistible allure of Cuban cuisine. Smoky aromas of roasted pork, the tantalizing sweetness of ripe plantains, and the fiery taste of homemade chili sauces set your taste buds aflame. Meanwhile, the city's vibrant art scene is a riotous explosion of color and creativity. From the evocative street art adorning the city walls to the lively art galleries showcasing contemporary Cuban talent, Santiago de Cuba is an artist's paradise. And then, there's the music. The infectious beats of sun music, a genre indigenous to this city, reverberate in the air, breathing life into the city's vibrant nightlife scene. As you wander through the bustling local markets, the warm glow of the setting sun paints the city in a riot of colors, casting long shadows that dance with the rhythm of Santiago. Amidst the cacophony of sounds, the welcoming smiles of the locals and their infectious enthusiasm encapsulate the indomitable Cuban spirit. This city, nestled between the Sierra Maestra Mountains and the Caribbean Sea, is a melting pot of history, art, and the indomitable Cuban spirit. First, journey through time to historic Santiago, an intriguing blend of the past and present. Located in the heart of Cuba, Santiago is a city that is rich not just in its cultural history, but also in the uniqueness of its architectural designs. This city is a living museum where the past and the present coexist harmoniously. It is a city where centuries-old colonial buildings, each with their own unique architectural beauty, stand side by side with contemporary modern structures. These buildings, each with a story of their own, bear witness to the city's enduring spirit and its ability to adapt to change. Historic Santiago is the place where the seeds of the Cuban Revolution were sown, where ordinary men became heroes, and where iconic figures cemented their legacy. It was here that Fidel Castro, a name synonymous with the revolution, led a group of revolutionaries against the oppressive Batista regime. The echoes of their battle cries can still be heard in the city's vibrant streets and bustling squares. This city is not just about its history, it is about its people, their resilience, and their unwavering spirit of rebellion. Every corner of Santiago breathes life into tales of resilience, of a city that refused to bow down and continues to stand tall against all odds. The city pulses with energy and vibrancy, a testament to its people's unyielding spirit of rebellion that still thrives to this day. In the end, a visit to Santiago means experiencing a slice of Cuba's rich historical tapestry. It means standing at the crossroads of the past and the future, a witness to a city that continues to define its own destiny. This is where the Cuban Revolution took root, where heroes were born, and where the spirit of rebellion thrives to this day. Next, venture to the El Morro Fortress, a majestic stone sentinel that has stood guard over Santiago Bay for over 4 centuries. This structure, a confluence of art and military architecture, is an epitome of resilience, having weathered countless storms, invasions, and the passage of time intact. Its sheer granite walls, which have been kissed by the sun and lashed by the waves for over 400 years, hold a myriad of tales of bravery, heroism, and survival. The El Morro Fortress is not just an architectural marvel, but also of Santiago's turbulent past. Enlisted as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it serves as a living testament to the city's strategic importance during the Age of Exploration, an era marked by the pursuit of new lands, wealth, and knowledge. Step back in time as you meander through the fortress's corridors, where echoes of the past still linger. The fortress bears marks of the countless footsteps of soldiers patrolling its ramparts, and their voices seem to in the wind. The cannon-filled battlements, the hauntingly beautiful chapel, and the awe-inspiring governor's quarters reflect the fort's military and spiritual past. But the most striking feature of El Morro is undeniably its commanding position. Perched high on a cliff, it offers a staggering view that no visitor could ever forget. From its lofty perch, one can witness a breathtaking panorama of the azure Caribbean Sea merging with the sky. Step into the heart of the city at Cespedes Park, a bustling hub of daily life. This vibrant plaza, steeped in the rich history of the city, is a thriving epicenter of culture and commerce. Encircled by grand colonial architecture, the park's timeless beauty is a testament to past civilizations. Each historical edifice tells a story, adding of depth to the overall ambience of the space. Transformed into a vibrant tableau, the square is a kaleidoscope of sights and sounds that captivates the senses. It's a cacophony of color, movement and sound, each element playing a vital role in the tapestry of everyday life. The lively street vendors peddle their colorful wares with a flamboyance that is infectious. Their voices are a constant hum in the background, punctuating air with their unique brand of charm and street-smart humor. Amidst the symphony of city life, the local musicians take center stage. Their captivating melodies fill the air, adding a harmonious soundtrack to the unfolding cityscape drama. Their songs reflect the city's spirit, weaving stories of love, joy, and resilience into the very fabric of the community. Their music, the laughter of children, the chatter of people, all blend together, creating a vibrant urban symphony that personifies the city's character. Every moment spent here is a sensory treat, a journey through the diverse facets of urban life. This place exudes a unique charm. Embark on a spiritual journey to the Basilica of Our Lady of Charity, a luminary of faith that has diligently watched over Santiago de Cuba for countless centuries. The aura of this venerable sanctuary is not just mesmerizing, but it also resounds with the echoes of fervent prayers, whispered secrets, and heartfelt hymns sung with deep reverence. Nestled in the heart of the city, this monumental structure beautifully encapsulates the pulse of a city that is steeped in Catholicism. The Basilica, a timeless relic, stands tall and proud, bearing witness to the city's ever-evolving history. Its towering spires reach up to the heavens, symbolizing the hopes and dreams of the city's devout inhabitants. Painted with hints of divine grace, the edifice is an epitome of grandeur, its majestic splendor reflected in its intricately carved, delicate stained glass windows and the mesmerizing murals that adorn its hallowed halls. The golden dome, a distinguishing feature of the basilica, glitters radiantly in the sunlight. As the glorious light filters through, the dome emanates an ethereal glow, illuminating the inside of the basilica, creating a serene, otherworldly atmosphere. Bathed in this divine light, the visitors experience a sense of reverence, a feeling of being touched by the divine. The Basilica of Our Lady of Charity, with its golden dome glinting in the sunlight, is undeniably a symbol of the city's profound Catholic faith. It's not just an architectural marvel, but a beacon of spirituality that for centuries has nurtured the faith, hope, and spirit of the people of Santiago de Cuba. Finally, escape the city's hustle and bustle for the tranquil shores of Siboney Beach. This pristine stretch of sand, just a stone's throw from the city, offers a serene retreat. Here, the rhythmic lullaby of the waves and the gentle whisper of the breeze create a symphony of tranquility. As we bid adieu to Santiago de Cuba, remember the top 5 destinations: Historic Santiago, El Morro Fortress, Cespedes Park, the Basilica of Our Lady of Charity, and Siboney Beach. And don't forget the essential tips. Respect political symbols, avoid sensitive discussions, be mindful of photography rules, refrain from bringing banned items, and be cautious about public conversations. So, pack your bags, tune into the rhythm of sun music, and set sail for an unforgettable journey to Santiago de Cuba. The city's charisma awaits to sweep you off your feet. As we round off our virtual tour of Santiago de Cuba, let's talk about some crucial travel tips to ensure your journey is smooth and enjoyable. If you're an American traveler, don't stress about visa requirements. All you need is a valid passport. The previous $100 visa requirement has been lifted, making your trip planning a lot easier. Next, let's talk about Cuban coffee. It's rich, it's aromatic, and it's a must-try for all coffee lovers. But be warned, Cuban coffee is strong. So have a sip, enjoy the robust flavors, but don't overdo it unless you're ready for a caffeine kick like no other. Most importantly, respect the local customs and norms. Embrace the experience, stay informed, and immerse yourself in the vibrant Cuban culture. Remember, traveling is not just about seeing new places, but also about understanding and respecting different ways of life. So, with these tips in mind, you're all set to embark on your Cuban adventure. Safe travels!